Hello everybody. Now I will explain you the first part of exercise 13.3 of chapter surface areas and volumes of class 10. In first part I will explain you from question number 1 to question number 5. First question is a metallic sphere of radius 4.2 cm is melted and recast into the shape of a cylinder of radius 6 cm. Find the height of the cylinder. A sphere will melt and reform in a cylinder. We have to find out this height of this cylinder. Now, first is radius of the sphere is 4.2 centimeter and radius of the cylinder is 6 centimeter and height is h as taken. Volume of cylinder is equal to volume of sphere because total material will melt and recast in the another form. So volume of cylinder is equal volume of sphere. Volume of cylinder pi r square h is equal to volume of sphere 4/3 pi r cube. So r square into h, pi cancel, okay. R square into h is equal to 4/3 pi 4/3 into r cube. Now substitute the value. H is equal to, it is coming 2.74 centimeter. Question number 2. Metallic spheres of radii 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm respectively are melted to form a single solid sphere. Find the radius of the resulting sphere. 3 sphere we melt and the same material will recast into a big sphere. So volume of first 3 sphere is equal to volume of the big sphere. So that is equal to 4/3 pi r cube is equal to V is equal V1 plus V2 plus V3. So 4/3 pi r cube is equal 4/3 pi r1 cube plus 4/3 pi r2 cube plus 4/3 pi r3 cube. So 4/3 pi will be common from here. Then it is r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube. Now here 4/3 pi should cancel. So r cube is equal to 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube. It will come as 12. R is equal to 12. Okay. So radius of the resulting sphere is 12 centimeter. Its radius is 12 centimeter. Next is question number 3. A 20 meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is, this is the 20 meter deep well, diameter is 7, so radius is 7/2 meter, and the earth from it digging is evenly spread out to form a platform 20 meter by 14 meter. Find the height of the platform. The volume of this earth and volume of this earth is same, equal. So it is volume of the platform, so okay, with earth is equal volume of earth taken out of the well, that is length into breadth into height of the platform is equal to pi r square into h. So it is h is equal to this height of the platform. Height is equal to, now this 22, 1/22 and 1/40, and now by calculation it is coming h is equal to 5/2, that means 2.5 meter. So height of the platform is 2.5 meter. Question number 4. A well of diameter 3 meter is dug 14 meter deep. The earth taken out of it has been spread evenly all around it in the shape of a cylindrical ring, circular ring of width 4 meter to form an embankment. Find the height of this embankment. This is the well and this is the embankment. Okay, we have to find the height of this embankment, this one is the h2 and this height is h1, it is 14 meter has given. Okay. Now radius of the well is 3/2 and height is 14 meter. Outer radius of the embankment means 3/2 meter plus 4 meter. Width is 4 meter. That is equal to 11/2 meter. Height of the embankment be h. So volume of embankment is equal to volume of the earth taken out of the well, that is the pi. Embankment, its formula is pi r2 square minus r1 square into h2 is equal to pi r1 square into h1. So okay, inner height, inner radius. Now if you substitute this value, it is coming as h2 into this. So it is h2 is equal to 9/8 meter. That means height of the embankment is 9/8 is equal 1.125 meter. Okay. Next question. Question number 5. A container shaped like a right circular cylinder having diameter 12 centimeter and height 15 centimeter. Diameter has given, we have to find out the radius first. Now, is full of ice cream. The ice cream is to be filled into cones of height 12 centimeter and diameter 6 centimeter, having a hemispherical shape on the top. Find the number of such cones which can be filled with ice cream. That means a cylindrical tank, okay, a right circular cylindrical shaped container full of ice cream. This ice cream will fill in different cones whose height is, the conical part of this cone is 12, height of this conical part is the 12 centimeter and the spherical part, its radius has given 3 centimeter. Okay. Now cylindrical container radius is 6 centimeter, height 15 centimeter. So volume of the cylindrical ice cream container, it is pi r square h, that is pi r square h, this one. No need to calculate more because we have to calculate at last part. For the conical part of the ice cream, radius is 3 centimeter and height 12 centimeter and radius of the hemispherical top, that is the 3 centimeter. So volume of ice cream in the cone with hemispherical top, that is equal to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere, 1/3 pi r square h plus 2/3 pi r cube. You can take as 1/3 as and pi and r square are common. Okay, so h plus 2r, 1/3 pi r square into h plus 2r. Now substitute its value here, that is 22/7 into 3 into 18 centimeter cube. These two volumes, so okay, their relation is, let n be the number of ice cream cones. So n into volume of ice cream cone is equal to volume of ice cream in cylinder. So n is equal to 22/7, 22/7 will cancel, n is equal to 6 into 6 into 15/3 into 18, that is equal to 10. So hence the required number of ice cream cone is 10.